I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Big feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty, damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we be playing tag.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Christiana and you're watching ModelChristiana. Disclaimer number one, it is loud in this house because today is my birthday. I did want to do like, you know, a little vlog or whatever. I haven't been, you know, vlogging like how I've been wanting to, or how I've been supposed to be vlogging. For consistently, I don't have like not that much content to do really. Figured out today would be like one of the best content. Starting today on, I do have my birthday today. My birthday, what's my phone? Today is the 3rd. Okay y'all, so we'll be like out the house. And I wanted to be out the house. I didn't want to be home for my birthday because I'm home every other day. Makes no sense. So I didn't want today to be boring, and everybody else didn't want today to be boring either. So right now we're about to go to brunch. My theme of this year is Tiffany & Co. So, you know, my outfit is going to be so cute. It's a little dainty. I have my pearls. I have like this little fitted blue dress, which is real cute. And I have my pearl heels, which will be real cute. I have to show y'all downstairs decorations, but let's really just run down on what we're doing today. Today we have brunch. Then after that, we were gonna do these bumper cars, not bumper cars necessarily, but it's bumper boat, but it's like the same thing. But I feel like it would be a little bit of a lot. I think we're gonna pass on that. I'm not tripping about that. After my mom, she got a hotel for all of us girls. Me, my mama, and my little sister. We're having our little matching pajamas. It'll be real cute. And then we're just gonna stay the night up in there because all of us was basically saying on how we didn't want to come back home. As of right now, I'm about to do my hair and then I'm gonna show y'all the end result. I don't know if I want to curl it, but it's like I've been looking at ideas because I don't know what I want to do with it. Since it's like Tiffany & Co. and I really can't put this hair up because like the back. I'm gonna just be transparent with y'all. Look at the back of my head. Oh! So that is not good. You can see my outfit. You see my little blue right here. But yes, so I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna figure out what I want to do. I'm about to look now, and I'm gonna get back with y'all.
6 months later.
Hey y'all. You got a brand new car? Okay y'all, so first of all, another disclaimer. Now we're in the car. You can hear how loud it is. Anyway, so I'm back here with my besties. I need to do a real fit check. I didn't do my fit check. So I remember I said I was doing a Tiffany & Co. type of look. So, okay. It is raining out here, unfortunately, but I don't care. I'm just gonna show y'all when I get there because it's a lot of noise. So now y'all, we done left. City view. Camera getting foggy because outside. Going to the car. Hey Pawpaw.
Hey beautiful, how you doing? I love you.
I'm good. How are you?
Happy
I did not get no fit check yet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cookie. Happy birthday to you.
I have to get a fit check. I didn't get no fit check yet. I did a little Krista. All right, Cookie.
Make a wish.
First of all, I don't want to do too much because I'm gonna wind up getting emotional. I'm gonna cry. Again for the 1,000th time today. Of course, starting with number one, I just woke up. I told Mom I woke up. I just started crying because I was so grateful to God. So I really am, and I'm like constantly. I'm thankful for y'all for being there for me. I'm thankful for another year, and hope and pray that they have many more. No weapon formed. In Jesus' name. Yeah! This is Pawpaw's gift right here.
I'm about to see, I close my eyes, then I can see you ain't here though. No good to me, I'm signs to make every day your birthday, and every night your Valentine. We try that we could be.
So y'all, we are at the hotel.
Anywhere, baby. Don't mean about time. Hey, never even got you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, never even without you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, never even without you. See my baby know where my baby go, I go. There's no better feeling, you know, when I'm next to her, for sure. It's like, oh no, it gets on my tip. Out there, I know how look. I swear you the fit. Busy all day, I get off my trip. Oh yeah, I can
freaking mirror.
I wish that we could take some time. Go anywhere, baby, that's fine. Oh, man, in my suit, hey, there's no way without you. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Hey, there's no way without you.
Okay. Okay.
The sheep bodies.
Thank you, Kendall. Oh, this is so pretty. I have not had a freaking loom. I haven't had a loom bracelet so
You gotta
long.
check out pictures of the makeup is still on.
Thank you.
That's
All
it.
right, so I'm a bum. I haven't put your charms on. I brought them with me so I can show you.
Okay.
But these are your base.
For me and her.
Yes. And she actually made some of them.
Kendall?
Yes.
Oh, look how beautiful.
That's the kind of Christmas.
Oh, I love
My
them. Those are gorgeous.
gosh. Do you know how much
How
I'm
long it
buying?
take you to do that? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Those ones are from me.
That's why you don't
Which
make
ones?
it
These
take
here?
too long to
The
do
cuff
them.
ones.
These are beautiful. You made those, Kendall?
Here,
Let me
this
see
is
the bottom first.
Wow.
Whoa.
Those are beautiful.
I'm about to be wearing
Now
these
that's
a
without
whole
the
lot.
charms. So I have the charms. I
Cookie,
said
don't she
I
love
just
bracelets?
couldn't hold them on.
Krista, y'all know how much I wear bracelets?
She
Like,
loves bracelets.
I love freaking
Okay, bingo, I can
bracelets.
fit the shorts. You know
Oh, that's beautiful, Barbie.
And I got Barbie charms.
Look how cute this is. Do you have a thong to add?
Here we go. She's so pretty.
Yes, pink. Yes, Barbie.
The clear ones are from me.
Damn,
Girl,
you made those,
ate
Kendall?
these? You did these? Girl.
Girl, you ate.
She
Ain't that what
knows
y'all
how
say?
to do it.
Kendall, you
Oh,
ate.
this is pretty.
I tell you what, that's easier than that daggone loom. That loom is a lot.
You should have for y'all
I
to
don't know,
work
like,
together.
I want to wear them a lot, but it's like they're too pretty to wear like just like
you
regularly.
better wear them.
You wear them a lot because that's that. You're 19.
No, but like I'm saying, like I can't like.
Put those on right now.
The girl getting
You
over.
better wear them.
Save this one as a keepsake. Take that
That
out.
will make
Yeah.
you feel some kind of way if you don't wear them.
Of course I'm gonna wear them, but I just don't want to wear them just like
Why not?
Wear them. Those are regular things.
To make it some more.
You got cheap ones like these. You might as well wear these.
I haven't made bracelets in years. You're my first customer.
Lies.
Oh.
You made up for Albert.
you about to
Look at
It's
the.
been years.
you're about to
I'ma
hate
put
me
your-
then.
I'm gonna put your thing. I
Look how
wanted
much money
to
she
put.
spent on that.
I spent, but it was worth it. It was worth it. It was some beautiful charms. So the
That looks
colorful
so. That would
ones,
look so pretty. There, Mom. Look how beautiful that is.
the colorful ones are gonna
that is
have
good.
the. Look at the charm.
Y'all.
Well, that's for me. That's my phone. Aren't they cute?
Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see.
Candace, did you see the charms for the colorful ones?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm gonna add
should
all
have
of
that
this.
'cause
I
she's
just didn't have time.
So y'all, we're looking at the hotel.
All you use is a ski. As long as you don't make no noise.
As long as you don't make no noise, they're not gonna know that you're out here for real. Like, just if you want to see here and
This is
chill
a
outside.
nice hotel. Most of them parties ain't like this.
Eventually.
Okay, y'all. So now, it is the next day. I can't talk too loud because most of everybody is asleep in the next room. But I showed y'all the room. Everything is so beautiful. I thank my mom. I thank my dad. I thank my grandparents. I thank everybody who's told me happy birthday. I thank you guys so much. I am highly grateful, highly blessed. I'm ready for many more in Jesus' name. Okay, so overall birthday itself was a 10 out of 10. Chill. We did something different, so which was very fun. We didn't do the same thing like how we always do. You know, chill in the house, stuff like that. But yeah, I really don't have a lot to say because I've been saying it mostly throughout the video. But yes, no, I'm just very grateful to God. I'm very grateful for everybody. I'm very grateful for people who did, everything. I'm grateful for everything. I'm grateful to God though. That is, I don't think y'all understand. Like this morning I woke up, my daddy, he had brought flowers like off the wake up. Like he opened up the door and all I see is like this big old bouquet of flowers. It was huge. And so literally right when he came through, I woke up, smiled, but I started crying. And it's just been like on and off crying all day. Yeah, so that basically sums up my day. Overall though, my birthday was definitely a 10. I will give my birthday a 10 because it was so simple, but it was so fun at the same time. Believe it or not, simple is always the best way to do it the most and not having no fun. Like, what's the point? So the hotel, oh my gosh, if I could stay here longer, I definitely would. If I really want to book somewhere cute, for sure, go for the Blossom Hotel. It is so fun and so cute. They have a lot of different things, different areas, different looks. Okay, so really now, since it's July 4th, I want to do a get ready with me going to sleep. So first, of course, to put my hair up. So first thing is, I know this may look real dirty, but this is what I use to put down my hair, keep my hair down. So take my sideburns out as we speak. Okay, those is out. Those is done. Done. Like when it comes down to me like getting ready to go to sleep or getting ready to do anything, honestly, the first thing I do is always my hair. I always put my hair up. Like I can do anything else, I can keep my jewelry on, no problem. I can do everything else, but my hair got to go. So now that's split, that's on. Okay, so now I do wanna, since it's human hair, I really just don't wanna like just put it up. I wanna maybe try inside this. My jewelry off, I'll take everything off, get in the bed, get in the shower, get in the bed. I might, if I'm not gonna hit y'all back, I doubt it, but I might of course show y'all my outfit, my look. So I'll be back after my shower.
20 minutes later.
So y'all, I'm out the shower. This is our pajamas. All of us is matching pajamas. I don't know if you can see, but now I'm overly tired. It is 3:24 in the morning, so I'm about to, do the rest, whatever I need to do, and I'm going to sleep. Tomorrow, I don't know, well, basically today, but later on today, I don't know what we're doing. We'll figure it out, and I hope I'm encouraged to take my camera, so we'll see. So yeah, this is day 1 of my weekend. I don't want to do like one day because I didn't get a lot. July 4th, loading in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so y'all, this is the next day. We are about to eat breakfast. Excuse on how I look, I just woke up literally. Nanny. Hello, happy birthday. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get everybody at the table. Mama, Krista, Kendall. That girl still has sleep.
She usually wakes up at 1.
What you getting, Christine?
I'm thinking maybe the omelet.
Yeah.
Right.
You know, once you sit in the chair,
Trying to be dainty and I can't.
you gotta get on the.
We are back in our
You got to
pajamas.
have money.
I don't care about staying on. It's cool to stay on the
We're
ground.
about to take
No, we don't
pictures
have
because
to.
we
We
all
don't have
have
to.
matching
Because then we
pajamas
have access to go to
on.
the
Mama,
Get all our
Christy.
waters, load our villa.
Kendall, she's in the corner.
With all kind of foods and snacks, breakfast.
About to take pictures. I don't know where we're gonna take our pictures though.
Everything. This damn
Bye,
hold their
Grwm.
phones. And Karen. Look, Cookie. She holding cameras, they holding phones. Cookie, we gonna have plenty of time.
Yeah. So now we are leaving the hotel.
Good boy.
Where are you staying?
And you can stand.
You're so corny.
My camera, no can irritate me so easily. Okay,
Wait, come on. There's somebody next to me. Kristen, come on.
All right, smile.
It works? Yeah. You see, we got this stuff.
thank you. They're so cute. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Everybody get their best face. Best face. Smile. Sit titties up.
Oh, come on. Don't tell me that. You did.
She just
Later.
Y'all, we just came back from Schlitterbahn. It was all in the car. Alex.
It was good.
Chopped onions, Elijah. And chopped onions, Isaiah.
For sure.
All the way in the
No,
back
not my
they have-
baby. Not Isaiah.
Yeah, chopped cheese. This is worse. Chopped onions. And then they have Auntie Christy, the twins, and Krista and Kendall in the back.
Where the hell is
It
my
is the
shirt?
4th.
rad.